Today I'm going to show you how to change your domain name in WordPress step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely update your website's domain, which is a huge move if you're rebranding, switching to a shorter or more memorable web address, or simply upgrading your site. I promise you don't need to be a tech wizard, just follow along and you'll have your new domain set up in no time. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is basically your site's control center, where you manage everything from posts and pages to settings. If you're not sure how to get there, just add /wp-admin to the end of your website's URL and sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the left-hand menu, find Settings, then choose General. This is where WordPress stores some of the most important details about your site, including the addresses used for your website. Think of these like the directions that tell browsers and visitors where your website actually lives. Now scroll down the page until you find two boxes labeled WordPress address URL and site address URL. You might notice that they're grayed out or uneditable, and instead there's a message that says you can change your site address in domain settings with a hyperlink provided. Go ahead and click on that link. It will take you to the area where you can truly manage your domain name. Once you're in domain settings, you should see a list of domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to change and look for a three-dot button. Usually these appear as a little vertical or horizontal. Click on those dots. It's like opening a toolbox for your domain because you'll get several options. Choose Change Site Address from the menu. Here, where you get to enter your new domain, carefully type in your new domain name, for example, https://newdomain.com. I can't stress enough how important it is to double-check this. If you make a typo, your site could become temporarily inaccessible, so take a breath, make sure it's correct, and then continue. After you've updated the domain field, click Next to proceed. At this stage, WordPress will double-check that the domain is available and can be used. Sometimes it might take a moment, so don't worry if it spins for a bit. Then a checkbox will appear, usually to confirm that you understand this change will update your site's address. Tick that box. This is just a last safety step to make sure you really want to move forward. Once you've done that, hit Confirm. And that's it. You've now changed your domain name in WordPress. Depending on your hosting provider, it can take a few minutes for your site to update everywhere on the internet, but you should see the new address live pretty quickly. If you have bookmarks, social links, or business cards, remember to update those with your fresh new URL. So you just took a big step in growing or rebranding your site, and that's awesome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, leave any questions in the comments. I always love to help out, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward WordPress and website guides. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on your new domain.